The most probable causes of flashing check engine lights and shaking include an engine misfire, often due to spark plug, coil, or wiring issues, which is the primary suspect given your symptoms. Faulty ignition coils are also common and lead directly to misfires. Worn spark plugs are another frequent source. Fuel injector problems, such as clogging or leaking, can create uneven combustion. Low fuel pressure, resulting from a failing pump or filter, further disrupts engine performance. Sensor issues involving the oxygen or mass airflow sensors can skew the air-fuel ratio and cause misfires. Vacuum or evap leaks upset fuel mixture consistency. A clogged catalytic converter can overheat from excess unburned fuel. Sensor signal issues from the crank or cam sensors may cause timing irregularities. Finally, mechanical problems like low compression or timing faults are less common but critical to consider. A flashing check engine light indicates an emergency situation. It means an active misfire is dumping unburned fuel into the exhaust, which can overheat and damage the catalytic converter, potentially igniting it. Continued driving could lead to catastrophic engine damage, fire hazard from a red-hot converter, and mechanical breakdowns that may strand you. Immediately stop driving and pull over safely. Turn off the engine and inspect under the hood for any obvious issues such as loose wiring, damaged hoses, or fluid leaks. If you have access to an OBD-II scanner, read and record any diagnostic trouble codes. Codes like P030X should prompt you to cease driving immediately. If you lack the tools or knowledge, tow the vehicle to a trusted repair shop. Avoid resetting the check engine light or attempting to drive through the issue, as this may cause costly damage. Begin diagnosis by scanning and documenting all stored trouble codes. Pay close attention to any misfire codes like P0301, which indicates an issue with cylinder 1. To isolate the problem, swap the ignition coil to another cylinder and rescan. If the misfire code moves, the coil is likely the issue. Perform the same test with spark plugs. If misfires persist, inspect and test fuel injectors for proper resistance and spray pattern. Check for vacuum or evap leaks using a smoke machine and listen for audible hissing. Use live data from the OBD-II scanner to test MAF and O2 sensors. Clean or replace any sensors out of specification. If misfires remain unresolved, perform a compression or leak-down test to rule out mechanical faults. Finally, measure exhaust backpressure to check for catalytic converter restriction. After repairs, confirm that misfire codes clear and monitor engine behavior during a controlled test drive. To avoid similar issues in the future, follow recommended maintenance schedules. Replace spark plugs and ignition coils every 60k to 100k miles based on your vehicle's guidelines. Use high-quality fuel and change the fuel filter as advised. Clean or replace MAF and oxygen sensors per service intervals. Perform vacuum and evap line inspections during tune-ups. Monitor exhaust temperature and backpressure to detect early catalytic converter clogging. And scan for trouble codes at every oil change to catch misfire symptoms early before they escalate.